Hey there, food lovers. Let's talk burgers. Not just any burgers, mind you, but Five Guys burgers. You know, the ones that are always fresh, never frozen, and piled high with toppings? Yeah, those bad boys. This ain't your average fast food story. This is a story about a family with a dream, a commitment to quality, and a whole lot of heart. Five Guys didn't start with celebrity chefs or fancy ad campaigns. It started small, real small, in Arlington, Virginia, back in 1986. This was a true mom-and-pop operation, a little burger joint with a big focus on flavor. No shortcuts, no gimmicks, just good old-fashioned burgers made with love. And guess what? People noticed. They tasted the difference, they felt the love, and they came back for more. This is the story of how a small family business armed with nothing but a killer recipe and a whole lot of passion turned into a multi-billion-dollar empire. Buckle up, folks, it's gonna be a wild ride. Five Guys is all about family. I'm talking Jerry and Janie Morrell, the founders, and their 5 sons, Jim, Matt, Chad, Ben, and Tyler. See what they did there? 5 guys, 5 sons, get it? Now here's the kicker. Instead of pushing their boys toward college, Mom and Pop Merle offered a different kind of investment, a burger joint. That's right, they poured their hearts and souls, and probably their life savings, into opening that first Five Guys. They believed in good, honest food, and they believed in each other. They knew that if they focused on quality, the rest would fall into place. And you know what? They were right. That little burger joint in Arlington, it became a local legend. People lined up for their juicy burgers, hand-cut fries cooked in peanut oil, and milkshakes you could practically stand a spoon in. It was a family affair through and through, and that sense of warmth and dedication resonated with everyone who walked through their doors. Here's the thing about Five Guys. They didn't need fancy marketing campaigns or celebrity endorsements to get people talking. Nope, they let their food do the talking, and boy did it ever. For the first 16 years, Five Guys was all about word of mouth. One satisfied customer told another, and then another, and before you knew it, there were lines out the door. People raved about the burgers, the fries, the whole experience. No flashy billboards, no TV commercials, just pure, unadulterated burger bliss spreading like wildfire. It was a testament to the power of a great product. When you serve up something truly special, people can't help but share the love. The Merles were happy with their little burger haven. They weren't in a rush to conquer the world. They focused on what mattered most, making darn good food and creating a welcoming atmosphere. And that, my friends, is a recipe for success, no matter how you slice it. So what's the secret sauce behind Five Guys' success? Well, for starters, they keep it simple. The menu is laser-focused burgers, fries, hot dogs, and milkshakes. That's it. No salads, no chicken nuggets, no fancy wraps, just classic American comfort food done right. And when I say done right, I mean it. Five Guys is obsessed with quality. We're talking fresh, never frozen beef, hand-cut fries cooked in peanut oil, and buns baked fresh daily. They even let you customize your burger with a whopping 15 free toppings. Talk about having it your way, but it's not just about the food. Five Guys understands that happy employees make for happy customers. They pay their staff well, offer opportunities for advancement, and create a fun, high-energy work environment. And let's not forget about location. Five Guys strategically chooses high-traffic, high-visibility spots for their restaurants. They want to be where the people are, ready to satisfy those burger cravings. For 16 years, the Merles kept Five Guys a family affair, operating just a handful of restaurants in the Washington, D.C. area. But the demand for their burgers was growing, and in 2002, they made a big decision. It was time to franchise. Now, franchising ain't for the faint of heart. It takes a whole lot of trust and a rock-solid system to hand over the reins to someone else. But the Merles knew they were onto something special, and they were ready to share their burger brilliance with the world. And boy did the world respond. Franchising opened the floodgates, and Five Guys exploded in popularity. Restaurants popped up all over the country from coast to coast. People just couldn't get enough of those juicy burgers, crispy fries, and that signature Five Guys experience. It was official. Five Guys had gone from a local legend to a national phenomenon. Remember what I said about word of mouth being powerful? Well, it doesn't hurt when the word comes from the most powerful man in the world. In 2009, President Barack Obama was caught on camera grabbing a burger at a Five Guys in Washington, D.C. The Obama bump, as it came to be known, sent Five Guys' popularity into overdrive. Suddenly, everyone wanted a taste of the president's favorite burger. Sales skyrocketed, lines snaked around the block, and Five Guys became a bona fide cultural icon. They were featured in magazines, newspapers, and TV shows. Everyone wanted to know the story behind the burger joint that had captured the hearts and stomachs of Americans everywhere. By 2012, Five Guys had reached a staggering 1,000 locations, and their valuation soared past the billion-dollar mark. Not bad for a little family business that started with a simple dream and a whole lot of heart, right? Five Guys had become a true American success story, proving that with hard work, dedication, and a darn good burger, anything is possible. Alright, aspiring entrepreneurs, listen up. Five Guys' success story offers some valuable lessons for anyone looking to make their mark on the world. Lesson number 1, keep it real, keep it simple. Don't try to be everything to everyone. Focus on what you do best and knock it out of the park every single time. Five Guys knows their lane, and they stay in it. They're not trying to reinvent the wheel or impress you with fancy ingredients. They're serving up classic American comfort food, and they're doing it exceptionally well. They understand that sometimes the simplest things in life are the most satisfying. So what's your passion? What do you do better than anyone else? Find your niche, hone your craft, and don't be afraid to keep it simple. Remember, focus is key. Don't spread yourself too thin trying to please everyone. Find your tribe and give them something truly special. Lesson number 2 from the Five Guys playbook: go above and beyond, every single time. Exceed expectations. Give people more than they expect. Whether it's the quality of your ingredients, the friendliness of your service, or the little extra touches that make all the difference, always strive to deliver an exceptional experience. Five Guys understands that it's the little things that count. From the generous portions of fries to the free toppings galore, they're all about giving their customers more bang for their buck. They want you to leave feeling happy, satisfied, and eager to come back for more. In today's competitive market, it's not enough to simply meet expectations. You have to exceed them. Find ways to wow your customers, to surprise and delight them. Go the extra mile even when it's not required. Trust me, it'll pay off in spades. Last but not least, lesson number 3. Culture eats strategy for breakfast. You can have the best product in the world, but if you don't have a strong company culture, you're not going to make it very far. Your employees are your biggest asset, so invest in them, empower them, and create a positive and supportive work environment. Five Guys gets it. They understand that happy employees lead to happy customers. They treat their staff with respect, offer competitive pay and benefits, and create a fun and engaging workplace. And their employees in turn bring that positive energy to every customer interaction. So, build a company culture that people are proud to be a part of. Create a sense of community, encourage teamwork, and celebrate success. When your employees feel valued and appreciated, they'll go above and beyond to deliver an exceptional customer experience. Remember, a strong company culture is the foundation for long-term success. So there you have it, folks. The Five Guys story is a testament to the power of hard work, dedication, and a darn good burger. They've built a multi-billion-dollar empire by staying true to their roots, focusing on quality, and creating a company culture that people love. And they've done it all without fancy ad campaigns or celebrity endorsements. Just pure, unadulterated burger bliss. Now go out there and get yourself a burger.